This video is to talk about the lesson planning and the planning in general for middle school Inspire Science. The same applies for high school as well. So this is showing the course page of the teacher center. All of the teacher planning resources as well as the content resources are available under course. So once this course option is clicked, your main gate to your entire set of resources is available under this button here. Now let's take a look at the highest level of resources available, which is the program resources. So when you click on program resources, the first set of these resources would be the course planning. The main and fundamental, again, the fundamental resource for planning, which has all the lesson planning as well as chapter planning, is the teacher guide. And this is the teacher edition. So let's take a look at what can we find if I'm looking at a module in the teacher edition. So every module will start by a list of the 3 dimensions. As you can see here, they are listed under each of the domains. Next in the pages for the module are the 3 dimensions continuum and all the grades, and this is another piece of very important helpful information about for planning, which is the 3 dimensions correlations in the lessons in that chapter. Following this, you can find the module planner, and this module planner will show you every lesson with the comprehensive suggested pacing, the activities as well as the assessments. All of these are available in the book, and this particular page in the teacher edition, and this particular document is available as a separate document for every chapter in PDF format. Moving on, we can see the inquiry planner, the pacing material that is that are listed, and then you can see the beginning of the module. So the differentiation instruction strategy, and then the start of the lesson. So at the beginning of every module, you can see the performance expectations again, and once you reach the lesson, you can see all the necessary information in the lesson. So this is the lesson level here in the teacher guide, where you can see the MPs, and then that lesson at a glance, which you already have online as a PDF as well. The lessons, once they start, you can see the objectives there besides the performance expectations, and you can see the distribution of the teacher guidance against every page. Going back to the platform, if I move on to talk a little bit about the chapter planning. So if you click on any chapter, the first set is the module planning. And you can see that module at a glance here. It's in PDF. And if you open this, this is a PDF in which that you can see that, and you can save it as a document to be used. The same thing occurs when you go to a lesson. So I'm randomly selecting any lesson, and the first item in the lesson is the lesson planning resources. And again, you can see that lesson at a glance. And this is the page where it shows you the comprehensive lesson planning of this particular lesson.